Hello class. I'm going to solve the problem from the mock exam, which gives you more experience with how to use shift registers. Now, in order to solve this problem, I have to make a few assumptions. In this problem, they're asking us to find out what will be the status of the shift register after 4 clock pulses. We're assuming that the initial state is this value here, and this will be the bits that will be shifted into the shift register. Now we have to be very clear what this actually is on the flip-flops. So what I'm going to assume is that since the flip-flops are lined up this way, that the values that are given are also going to be lined up the same way, which means the initial state of the flip-flops will be like this. And that's 1 byte of data. Then our group of bits is going to be serially shifted in rightmost bit first, which means the bit on the right will go in first. And then after that, the next bit will go in. Then after that, the next bit will go in, and so on. Now the problem asks us to find out what happens to the shift register after 4 clock pulses. Well, after 4 clock pulses, these bits here are going to be shifted out, which means they will no longer be available after 4 clock pulses. And these 4 will be shifted to the right, because once they have been shifted into the register, they will simply be shifted one by one to the right for each clock pulse. So these 4 values here will become shifted to the right here. Now remember, as these bits are being shifted along, new data is being entered into the flip-flop according to this pattern. And since we are asking what happens after 4 clock pulses, 4 bits are shifted in. So we have a value of 1, 1, 1, and 0. So this is what the flip-flop are going to look like after 4 clock pulses, which gives us this answer as being the correct answer of choice from the multiple choice options. I hope this gives you a better picture of how to perform this valuable function. It's important that you read carefully so that you know how the bits are going to be shifted in, so that you know where to start your shifting process. Are they going to be using the rightmost bit first or the leftmost bit? And also how to interpret the initial state of the shift register. Thank you.